Maria Elvira Corinthian Geronimo, Peter Sutter, escorted by Eusebio Juan Balaki, Preparatory Epsilon, and Paul Patrick E. Soriano, Peter Jupiter. Asian is a nation that dominates the classification of South Asia subcontinent with more than 1 billion people. It is the world's second longest country after China, the world's largest democracy. Ladies and gentlemen, representing the country of India, Maria Elvira Colleen, under the care of Isabel Pantalejas and Eusebio Juan and Paul Patrick, under the care of Miss Shirley Marcelino. The next country is Indonesia. Representing the country of Indonesia.